Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to show you two ways how you can write a Motoko tests. So the first method that we're going to use actually is using a test package from MOPS, and by that we need to have a project already made. So I'm going to do a dummy project, and as you can see in my terminal, I'm writing defx new test tutorial, and then selecting Motoko for the backend. I don't want any front-end funny stuff. So wait for a few seconds for the project to load up, and then navigate to the project and open it in your favorite code editor. Once the project is open, you need to initialize MOPS and then select the first option, select no for the GitHub actions, and then MOPS will be initialized in your project. The next step is to add the test package from MOPS, and we do that by typing MOPS add, and then as you can see, the package is installed in our project. So this package allows you to actually do different types of tests, from simple tests to asynchronous tests, and then test suites. So we create a new folder called test, and then inside there we write three files: the simple.test.mo, the asynchronous.test.mo, and then the test suite.test.mo files. In the simple.test.mo file, we first import the test method from the test package and then write the necessary tests for this tutorial. Once you're done with all the tests in the terminal, type MOPS test, and as you can see, the tests will be, and all the tests have passed. So make sure that all your test files are inside the test folder, and then everything will be well. So we move on to the asynchronous tests, but then before that we need to modify our main.mo file and include one function that returns a random text. So in the async.test.mo, we import the random text method from the main.mo file. This time we import the test method from the test/async, and then we go ahead to define our tests. So once you're done with the test, in the terminal write MOPS test, and as you can see, our test will run and give us an output. The next form of test is the test suite format, and test suites allow you to group multiple test cases by functionality or by feature. So as you can see, I've modified my main.mo file to include some more functions, and in test suite.test.mo I import those functions, and I import the test and suite method from the test package. I write the relevant tests, and then in my terminal I write MOPS test, and as you can see, these tests pass well. The next option is actually use bash scripts. So bash scripts, among other things, allow you to execute multiple commands in a specific order, as well as automate repetitive tasks and workflows. So in our project, we're going to create a new file and call it deploy.sh, and inside that file, that's where we're going to write all our bash scripts. So the first thing, we have to actually start our replica server. Then we deploy our backend canister. After the backend canister is deployed, we add in some data to the canister. You can even check the current identity, or even switch and check the principal address of the newly switched identity. So we finalize by getting all the data from the backend canister, and once you're okay with the bash script, all you have to do is actually run that bash file, and as you can see, it is running all the commands that we specified inside the file. So first it starts the server, installs and deploys the backend canister, and now it's adding data, and then finalizes by returning all the data. So those are the two options that you can use to write tests for your Motoko code. It's the end of the video, and thank you for watching.